How to create a presentation in your Canva application. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a presentation or a PowerPoint presentation in your Canva. So there are a number of methods using which you can start a presentation design in your Canva. So for starting, I am currently in the home tab of my Canva application, and in the home tab you can see this line that says what will you design today, and just under this you can see this option of presentation. So you can simply click onto this presentation button and it will start a presentation. But let's say you want a presentation for some different kinds, or you are not able to use this particular feature, then in that case there are another methods as well. So in order to start a presentation, what you can do is simply click onto this plus icon towards the left hand side, or you may also choose to click onto this plus icon over at the top hand side of the left. So you can click either of these buttons and then this type of interface will appear. And from here you can search for anything. So since we are currently looking for presentations, you can simply click onto this presentations tab over here, and it will open all of the different types of presentations which are available. So here is a regular presentation of 16:9, and here is a presentation for mobile and 4:3 presentation, and also there are some brainstorm presentation and game presentation as well. So let me go with the basic presentation right now. And now here you can see that this is my canvas right here, and it has also automatically opened some templates for me, so I can use these templates as well in my presentation to make them look good, and also make it easy for me to add titles, images, or for this particular design I can also choose to have some graphs or anything in my presentation. So that's how you can create a presentation. If you want to add more page, you can click onto this add page button, and here are the different pages in your presentation, and that's how you can easily create a presentation in Canva. And if you want to download this presentation, you need to click onto this share button over the top right side, and then from here you can click onto this download button. Once you click onto this download button, you can choose its file type. So from here you can choose it to any of the file types that you want, and then you can click onto this download button to download your presentation. So that's how easily you can create and download a presentation in your Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.